Hey everyone, I'm back with another quick tutorial for you. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the process of accessing and modifying your personal dictionary in Google Docs. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right into it. Firstly, head to the Tools tab at the top of your Google Docs. From there, select Spelling and Grammar. Now, look for the option that says Personal Dictionary. If there are specific words you don't want the spelling and grammar check to flag, simply type them into the Add New Word field. Click Add to include them in your personal dictionary. If you ever need to remove or allow certain words in the future, come back to this menu. To delete a word, select the trash bin icon next to it. Once you've made your adjustments, click OK to save your changes. And that's it. A quick and easy process, right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Looking forward to catching you in the next tutorial. Until then, goodbye.